What's what, baby? What's what, baby? Yeah. Let's get dressed for today's activity. For our daily life. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? What's what, baby? What's what, baby? Okay, for my heart feel. What's what, baby? What's what, baby? Wait, let's say shake your body. Ooh, I feel good. I feel good. This is Kiko. I mix two foundation together. That is the light one and the dark one. I always mix Nigeria foundation and the Italian foundation together because that is what gives me my perfect color that I am looking for. Make I see fine today. Let me get myself well beautiful today. Let me put Uncle Mark. I find, Sha. This hair is very, very comfortable. Wow, I am really happy that I bought this. It's very comfortable. I feel good. I feel good. Let's put our okay. Some cream in our hand. Our hand is always dried, so we have to put cream to make our hand look smooth, stuff like baby bread. I am done dressing for the daily life. I want to go and buy something that I want to prepare. Oh, I really love this jeans. It's very, very comfortable, free, and it's very, very free. I will buy another set of these jeans. I love it. This is my first